Perimeter by Amy Jaramillo. I worked with a fifth grader, and according to Piaget, by this age the student is at the end of the concrete operational stage and the beginning of the formal operational stage based on his theory of cognitive development. This means they are able to think and solve problems more logically and are beginning to think more abstractly. The theme was perimeter. The activity enabled the student to learn more about perimeter, how we use perimeter in everyday life, and how to find a perimeter with a missing side. The activity promoted structured learning. The teacher gave direction to the student as well as choosing the experience. I engaged the student by having him find the perimeter of a simple shape that would be easy. Then the problems required more work to solve and find its perimeter. In closing, the teacher asked the questions entailing how to solve a problem that had a missing side that concluded the lesson.
Okay, Brendan, so I know this past week you've been learning about perimeter, so we're going to learn more about it, okay?
Okay.
So first, I want you to tell me what a perimeter, how do you find the perimeter of anything?
You add up all the sides.
Yeah, you add up all the sides. So first I want to do a simple one, just, you know who this guy is, right?
Mm-hmm.
So,
Albert Einstein.
yeah, so I want centimeters as each side, and then I want you to find the perimeter. And here's the paper, so you can write down your results.
Okay.
So what's the perimeter of this little postcard?
50.
It is 50. Don't forget the
S.
cm, because that's important. So because it would be different if it was just meters, right? So how much? What was the perimeter?
15 centimeters.
Okay, so now we're gonna go into a little more challenging. So see, this we're gonna go into a more harder kind of shape, and this is my living room, and right here's this hallway, and I'm gonna put a carpet. I'm gonna change the carpet. So I want you to find the perimeter. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So there are two missing sides. Here, the total is 10. So this side, we know this is 6.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So how many to get to 10? What would this be?
4.
So now we have all the sides, and we're going to find the perimeter. How do you find a perimeter? By adding.
Both sides.
Okay, so let's add them up. Good job. It is 30. So it's add up all the sides. Okay, let's go on to a difficult one. So this is the outside of my house. So here would be my house, and here would be my backyard. So I want to put a fence, but there's two missing sides. So we're gonna figure that out. Okay. Side has 10, right? And it's saying that this has 7. So how many would I need to complete if this whole thing is 10? What would this little side mean?
3.
So this is 3. So let's write. So would this be 3?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's write down right here 3 centimeters. Yeah, because this is this side. So from here to here, it's 3 centimeters. Okay. Now, so we know that this whole thing is 17, right? And this is 4. So we still need this side, right? So if we know this is 17, this whole side, and this is 3, what would this be?
14.
Yeah. Okay. So how would you find this one? Let's see if you can explain it to me.
You first add 9 plus 2, and then equals 6, and then you subtract 6 minus 11, and it gives you 5.
Yeah, you meant 4, right? But
yeah,
yes,
4.
good job. So that is. So write that in. So now perimeter. How do you find it?
You add both sides.
Okay, let's find the perimeter. So now I know that you know how you find a perimeter. So I want you to tell me how you find the missing side. What would it be?
You add up the sides, and then you subtract
The whole side, right?
Yeah.
The one that has the total, then you subtract it by finding the other sides.
Yeah.
Okay. So thank you very much.